วัสดีค่ะ Welcome back to Self-Paced Intensive Thai course with Kurzmok. Right now we are already in the chapter 2 in the lesson 2.1 vocabulary. For the vocabulary this time, you will learn food, drink, and animals. So these are the basic words that you must know. So here, food, drink, and animal. The first word, ข้าวผัด ข้าวผัด together ข้าวผัด ข้าวผัด means fried rice because the word ข้าว means rice and the word ผัด means to stir fried alright stir fried ผัดนะคะ many people understand that the word ผัด is to deep fry which is not here to deep fry in Thai is ทอดนะคะทอด to deep fry while this one ผัด is to stir fry different ข้าวผัด stir fry rice next word ก๋วยเตี๋ยว together ก๋วยเตี๋ยว same tone down and up ก๋วยเตี๋ยว noodles นะคะ or noodle bowl next one น้ำ the basic word ever water น้ำ or it could be also anything like liquid so น้ำ is water or liquid I will show you later how is it when I say it's liquid นะคะ next word น้ำแข็ง น้ำแข็ง the word น้ำ you know it's already water and the word แข็ง is hard the physically hard น้ำแข็ง means hot water or ice น้ำแข็ง next word กาแฟ flat tone I think you know this word already though กาแฟ sounds like what coffee กาแฟ coffee can you say it one more time coffee กาแฟ next word ส้มthis is the fruit so ส้ม is orange ส้ม orange and if you want to say orange juice guess what in Thai language orange juice is easy น้ำส้มน้ำส้ม orange juice because the word น้ำ means what น้ำ is water or liquid and ส้ม is orange so water of the orange so here you might have a question let me explain for a little bit you can see that in English you would say orange juice why in Thai language we say juice orange basically in Thai language noun comes before modifier or adjective see orange juice you are talking about juice so juice comes first and then you tell what juice is it which is orange so juice orange น้ำส้ม which is orange juice ต่อไป in Thai นะคะต่อไป means next so here you can see if I say ต่อไป it means next so ต่อไปค่ะเนื้อ up and down เนื้อพูดตาม speak with me เนื้อนะคะเนื้อ is meat or actually it means beef นะ mostly people would think เนื้อ is meat in general but the thing is sometimes Thai people call เนื้อ beef นะคะ so next ไก่ see K sound be careful it's not k but it's g so ไก่ is chicken so if you want to say fried chicken so in Thai we would say chicken come first and then fry so chicken is ไก่ and deep fry here is ทอด so ไก่ทอด in Thai language and it means fried chicken ไก่ทอด นะคะ so ต่อไป next ไข่ oh sounds so similar ไข่ down and up same like it actually share the same tone with ไก่ but ไข่ with KH see why ไก่ is with K นะ so ไก่ is chicken while ไข่ is egg see sounds similar chicken egg chicken ไก่ chicken ไข่ egg that's it next ต่อไปค่ะ now we're gonna learn some meat นะ หมู look at me how do I look like หมู what is it pig or pork นะคะ หมู next one ปลา flat tone ปลา พูดตาม speak with me ปลา is fish ต่อไป ปู is crab think about this like you know when you eat seafood when you eat crab and the crab is not that fresh so you go poo does it make sense just relate this somehow next one กุ้ง up and down กุ้ง is shrimp นะคะ for example the famous Thai dish ต้มยำกุ้งso ต้มยำ you know it already it's a ต้มยำ soup or like the spicy sweet sour soup นะคะ so ต้มยำกุ้ง mean and กุ้ง here is shrimp so ต้มยำกุ้ง means shrimp soup นะ and it look like this okay ต้มยำกุ้ง กุ้ง is shrimp next word ผักผัก is vegetable ผัก vegetable ต่อไปทะเล actually means sea but in this case if you want to say seafood you can also say here อาหารทะเล which mean seafood อาหารทะเล seafood but in this case if you say ทะเล with food ทะเล can also mean seafood as well like a short word ต่อไปหมา is what is it หมา a dog while the word meow guess what sounds like what a cat that's it so here let's put everything together if you want to say fried vegetable fried vegetable what would you say like stir fry vegetable so vegetable should come first right I told you now come first so vegetable in Thai is what ผัก and then stir fried is ผัด stir fried vegetable but the thing is this is the trick is that in Thai language when you order stir fried vegetables you don't sayผัดbut it's a name and the name isผัดit just switched as a name alright so now you know one dish next if you want to say porkผัดif you want to say pork noodles noodles come first what is noodles ก๋วยเตี๋ยว and then pork is หมู that's it pork noodle ก๋วยเตี๋ยวหมู what about chicken noodle so noodles come first ก๋วยเตี๋ยว right and chicken is ไก่next one fried rice with seafood or seafood fried rice what come first definitely fried rice so fried rice is ข้าวผัด and then seafood is what ทะเล you learn all of these words นะ next if you want to say fried rice with fish. So fish fried rice. Doesn't sound good though, I mean, but whatever. So fish fried rice. So fried rice come first. Fried rice. ข้าวผัด Fish is ปลา or crab fried rice. Crab fried rice is what? ข้าวผัด Crab is you eat crab and you go to ปูนะคะปู Crab fried rice ข้าวผัดปู So here are the menu that you could order from now on. Alright, that's it. So you already learned food, drink, and animal for vocabulary. Just practice a little bit with the Quizlet chapter 2/1 and then come back to see me in the next video here. I will wait here, okay? Go to do Quizlets and then come back. See you soon! Okay, welcome back to the lesson. I hope you enjoy practicing Quizlet chapter 2/1. Now come back to the vocabulary part again. But this part will be essential verbs. So the verb that is essential, that is important and common use in your daily life, especially with food. Okay, start from the first one. The word กิน กิน is to กิน to eat. For example, if you want to say I eat noodles, what would you say? I eat noodle. I ฉัน as a female, and if you are a man you would say ผม okay? Eat is กิน and noodle is ก๋วยเตี๋ยว. That's it. I eat noodles. ฉันกินก๋วยเตี๋ยว. Easy. Next word มี me is to have. For example, if you say I have a dog, what would you say? ฉัน have me a dog. In Thai language we just learn it. What is it? หมา ฉันมีหมา I have a dog. Right? Next word ชอบ up and down. The verb ชอบ is to like นะคะ ชอบ For example, I like cats. If you like cats, what would you say? So I like cats. ฉัน like is ชอบ and cat is แมว so ฉันชอบแมว I like cats นะต่อไปเอา say together เอา is to want plus noun นะคะ For example, if you want to say I want coffee, and coffee is a noun, of course. So if you want to say I want coffee, what would you say? I want coffee. ฉันเอา coffee กาแฟ right นะ While this one อยาก is to want, same but plus verb. So you can see that these words are similar to want. เอา and อยาก เอา plus noun อยาก plus verb. And the example of like to use the word อยาก For example, I want to eat chicken. I want to eat chicken. Soฉัน want to eat. See, eat is a verb, so in this case you have to use the word อยาก So ฉันอยาก want to eat กิน Chicken is ไก่ That's it. I want to eat chicken. Very random sentence, but yes, at least you know some word from what I just taught. Alright, next one ต้องการ is also to want. Oh my god, there's so many words for the word want, but it's more like need something นะคะ I will explain you later how to use these three want เอาอยากต้องการ properly later, but just learn for a little bit first. ต้องการ is also to want. For example, if you want to say I want in terms of need, like desire, I want you. I need you. I want you. So what would you say? ฉัน want is ต้องการ you is คุณ wow what's a cheesy sentence ฉันต้องการคุณ I need you I want you and last one very important เรียกว่า is to be called I will teach you later how to use the word เรียกว่า and it's very very important but for now you're done with verb just go practice Quizlet chapter 2/2